So this class we will start on our knees. We're going to get straight into it, and we're going to step the right foot forward. So inhale, take a deep breath in, and then exhale, sink forward. So finding your breath while we gently move into the body. Inhale, back it off. Exhale, sink forward. So just feeling into those hips. You don't have to sink very far. Go nice and gentle because it's the beginning of class. Inhale, back it off. Exhale, sink it forward. Inhale, back it off. And exhale, sink it forward. So let's say hello to the hamstrings. See where they're at. Inhale. And then exhale. This time we send it back. So you can use your hands on the floor if you want. Or if you want to be tricky, you can try and do it without hands. Flip the toes, press the heel into the earth. See how far you can fold. Inhale, sink forward. Exhale, lengthen that front leg, fold. Inhale, sink forward. And exhale, lengthen. Oh, nearly lost my balance. And fold. We're going to hold it here. Inhale. And exhale. You might want to bring your hands to the earth or even to props if you have some blocks to lean on. And again, we want to focus on our breath and our spine. So inhale, spine gets longer. Crown is lengthening forward. And then exhale, hinging from the hips, folding. See if you can go a little deeper. Inhale, lengthen through the spine. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lengthen through the spine. And exhale, fold. Bring it forward again. Inhale to low lunge. And exhale, back it off. Bring this right knee back to meet the left knee. Second side, so left foot comes forward. Inhale. Exhale, just feeling out your hips. So don't try to overdo it. Early into the class. Inhale, back. Exhale, lunge forward. Inhale, back. And exhale, lunge forward. So with or without hands on the floor, inhale. Exhale, lengthen that front leg, flip the toes. Hinge from the hips to fold. Inhale, lunge. Exhale, lengthen. Fold. Inhale, lunge. And exhale, lengthen. Fold. I'm going to hold this one here. Inhale. And exhale. 1. 2. 3, inhale, lunge it forward. And then exhale, bring it back. So coming back to the knees, sitting onto the heels, toes tucked under, hands on hips. And then from here, actually bring the hands to the back of the hips, so the fingertips are facing towards your glutes. And then inhale, take a deep breath here. Exhale, actively work your elbows towards each other and open up through the heart. Don't flare the rib cage forward, keep that pulling in, but bring your heart forward and then squeezing those elbows together. Inhale and exhale. 1. Open the heart, breathe a whole lot of space into the chest. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Coming back to standing on the knees, hands just regularly on the hips. Inhale. And exhale. We're going to come to the sitting bones. I'm going to turn around this way and bring the feet out, just sitting in front of you, feet flat on the floor. And then with your palms, bring them back behind you with the fingertips facing towards your sitting bones. Inhale, take a deep breath here. Exhale, lift up through the heart. If you want a little bit more of a deeper stretch, you can bring the sitting bones further away from the hands. So inhale, lift the heart. Exhale, back it off, just release it. Inhale up. Exhale, sink. Inhale up. This time hold it, open the heart. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, walk the hands in or bring the sitting bones back, or a bit of both. And then exhale here, just roll out your wrists. So it can be a little bit harsh on the wrists, some of the things we do on our hands in yoga. So always being sure to look after your joints, whichever joint it is. We're going to do a different variation of that. So this time, instead of opening the heart this way, we're going to pull it in the other way and get a stretch in the shoulder blades, so at the back of the heart. So inhale, the sitting bones reasonably far away from your fingertips. And then exhale, roll your shoulders forward, tuck your chin, and sink the back of the heart down back towards the mat. Inhale, big breath to the back of the heart. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, rise back up, and exhale, coming to a seated position. Send your right leg out to a 45-degree angle. Inhale. Exhale, this left foot's bent in, your left heel is in line with your pelvis. Turn your body, your chest, towards your right foot. Inhale. And then exhale, fold down. And then tuck your chin when you get as low as you can go and rise back up. Inhale, lift the heart. Exhale, fold it down. Keep exhaling as you tuck your chin and stack the vertebrae one by one, rise up. Inhale, lift the heart. And exhale, fold. Tuck your chin and rise back up. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale, one more breath. And then exhale, this time fold down, and we're going to hold it here. You'll feel an extra stretch up through this left side, and if you want to intensify that, if you have the range, you can bring this left hand on the outside of the right foot as you draw your forehead towards your knee or your shin. Inhale, lengthen through the spine. And exhale. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, walk your hands back towards you. And exhale, switching sides, so bending this right foot in and left leg goes out to the left. Turn your heart towards your toes. Inhale, lift up through the heart. Exhale, fold. Tuck your chin, keep exhaling, stack the vertebrae one by one. Inhale, lifts the heart. Exhale, fold. Tuck chin, stack vertebrae. Inhale, heart lengthens and lifts. Exhale, fold it forward. Tuck chin, stack vertebrae, rise back up. Take a deep breath here. And then exhale, fold it forward one more time. Hold it here this time. If you do it on the other side, take that outside hand, wrap it to the outside of the left foot. Inhale. And exhale. 1, 2, Inhale, walk the hands back towards you. Rise back up. Exhale, legs across. So with this next one, we're going to bring the feet out. I'm just going to start on a little bit of an angle. Bring the feet out in front, and then we'll just start by inhale and then exhale, drop the knees. So just mobilizing the hips. So inhale, knees come back to center. Exhale, drop them to the other side. Inhale up. Exhale, drop. Inhale up. It's actually not so much a drop, it's a gentle placement down because we want to be easy and careful with our hips. So inhale, knees come up. So either keeping on doing the same thing or we can rise up. So inhale, sits it back down, knees come to center. Exhale, we come back and we come up on the other side. Inhale, down, knees up, exhale around. So just starting to move and create range in those hip joints. Exhale, inhale, and exhale. One more, inhale, and exhale. Inhale, bring it down, and exhale here. This time, left leg goes long, right foot steps up. So the right foot's flat on the floor. And then we see if we can just get this right shoulder to the inside of the right knee. And then just working gently here. Press your right knee into your right shoulder and vice versa. It could just be here as well. So just wherever you can get to. If you're really struggling in this position, get pillows up under your sitting bones. Give yourself lots of support. This knee does not have to be straight. So just again, this is a nice way to open up the hip joint a little bit. So pressing the shoulder and the inner thigh into each other. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Switching sides, inhale. So right leg goes long, left foot steps in. Left foot's flat on the floor, left shoulder connects to left knee, inhale. Exhale, press them into each other. For 1. 2. 3. Inhale, come back to center, and then exhale, swinging these legs around again and coming to a lying down position. Inhale, right knee into the chest, and exhale, bring your right knee to the outside of the rib cage. So you can step this left foot in if this is a little tight, just to create a bit more range. Picking up either your right foot or just grabbing to the back of the knee. So if you can't reach the foot without lifting up, then just stay here and press to the back of the right knee. So this is a half happy baby. Inhale. And exhale, press the right knee down past the right side of the rib cage towards the floor. 1. 2. 3. And then inhale, bring this right knee to the chest. And exhale, extend hamstring stretch. So again, you can bend this left knee in. If you can reach the toe without lifting your head and shoulders, go ahead. So inhale and exhale. 1. 2. 3. Bend the right knee in, inhale, and exhale, send it long. Left knee to the chest, inhale. Half happy baby, left hand side, exhale. So the left knee moves across, so it's going outside the rib cage and grabbing on either to the back of the knee or the foot if you have range. Inhale. And exhale. 1. 2. 3. Inhale, left knee to the chest. Exhale, extend, so hamstring stretch. Grab onto the big toe if you can do it without lifting the head and shoulders off the floor. Inhale. And exhale. 1. 2. 3. Inhale, left knee to the chest. Exhale, send it long. Roll over onto your belly. So just the last couple of poses for opening up that chest. So finalizing and solidifying the heart opening part of the class. So inhale, deep breath here. I like to tuck my toes sometimes. It's just to protect my low back because it's hypermobile, so you don't have to do this. And then exhale, gently pressing up into the hands, open into the heart. Keep that core nice and strong, so everyone needs to protect their low back. Inhale, lift up through the heart. And exhale here. 1. 2. 3. Slowly lower down, inhale. Exhale, stack the palms, rest your forehead on your palms and then backward windshield wiper. So feet go side to side, inhale. And exhale. Legs go long, right arm comes into a cactus shape. Make sure it's in a right angle and your elbow's in line with your shoulder, your wrist is in line with your elbow. Looking over to your left hand side, right side of the head on the floor, inhale. And exhale, roll towards that right side. You might not get very far. That's really normal and common because we get really tight in the chest here. So just go easy. Inhale. And exhale. 1. 2. 3. Inhale, come back onto the belly. Exhale, cactus the arms, second side. Looking over to the right side, inhale. Exhale, roll towards the left side. 1. 2. 3. Inhale, come back onto your belly. And exhale here.